let's move on to the stick top. So we're going to make a new component here. I'm going to call it the stick top. All right, and let's see, what do we got to do for this one? Oh, we'll start with the sketch, and this one's going to be one of the easier ones. Sketch, front face. I'm going to slide on over here. I'm going to make a circle quite randomly. That is 0.375. I'm going to hit finish sketch. We are going to extrude this 12 inches. That might as well stay with tradition, go negative 12 inches. Very good. Next, I am going to go and make a sketch on the front of it. I am going to make a circle in the center. That is 1/4 of an inch. I hit finish sketch. We're going to extrude that circle 0.375. So this was 0.375 in case you missed it. I did that quickly. 0.375. Okay, and we are going to throw some threads on there. So those threads, so we're going to go create thread, we're going to select it, and it's the ANSI, that we've been using on a lot of them, 1/4-20. All right, so that was pretty easy. That is the stick top.